Hi, happy Yugadi. So today on March 30th, we celebrated Yugadi at our home in Honganasu. So my mom, she woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning, she cleaned the whole house and then she put rangoli on our entrance. Later on, she took the help of my sister and they decorated the temple room by cleaning it. And after that, she's prepared the food.
The best part was the delicious meal prepared by my mother. We enjoyed holige, obbattu, keeru, potato curry, alugade palya, cucumber salad, hesrubele, tasty mixed vegetable dish, urlikai kutu, obbat saru, mango rice, mavinkai chitrana. Overall, Ugadi was a wonderful day filled with family traditions and happy moments. Every year, celebrating together makes me feel grateful and excited for what's to come.
Once everything was ready, we performed the puja to Lord Venkateshwara, and after that to our Kula Devata, which is Ishvara. And also we worshipped Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, and Hanumanta. And after that, we tied a sacred thread around our wrists called Kankana, and we performed puja. This Kankana is tied so that it protects us from evil spirits and gives us protection throughout the year.
ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವಂತೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯರು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 5 o'clock ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗಿಂದ ಎದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಡುಗೆಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಡುಗೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂಥರ ರೋಲರ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಬ್ರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಪತಿ ದೇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಬೇಡ. ಹಲೋ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Ugadi!